if I was like a first-time client and I walked in, what might be some of your, Jay, I don't know much about insurance. I'm just starting a family. What are some of the things I should know about insurance?
Well, you should definitely have auto insurance and
Yeah.
homeowners, and then as your family grows, think about life insurance and to cover your needs if something were to happen to you.
What's a good amount of life insurance to get?
It depends on how many kids you have, how many what your monthly expenses are, what future insurance needs what future and financial needs you have going forward.
When I'm considering even getting life insurance, what would that number? What am I trying to cover with that? What's the point of it?
You want to cover your monthly expenses, and basically you're replacing your weekly paycheck. You want to with the life insurance, and then also for future needs if your kids go to school and take care of them that way.
So basically, just if I disappear tomorrow, they're not affected in any way.
Right. You keep your family going in the normal way.
Do you guys provide insurance for business and?
Yes, we do both personal lines and commercial lines and employee benefits.
Oh, you do employee benefits as well.
Yes.
What are some of those that you?
Health insurance, long-term disability, short-term disability.
Okay. How is life insurance different for a 25-year-old versus a 50-year-old?
It's based on your age and your health, and so as you get older, the premium goes up, and as you get older, you may run into health problems that would prevent you from possibly getting insurance altogether, or if you did, it'd have to be at a higher rate.
If I'm 30 now, can I buy a policy for the next 30 years and it's one set rate because I start young, or does it always change?
Yeah, no, the rate is set at your age, and you can buy it in 5, 10, 15, 20, 30-year increments, and then you go out to 100 years with a policy called whole life, which will take you to 100 years of age.
And so is there a difference between whole life and term? Is that
yes, the term is you're buying just strictly the coverage today for that amount of money. If you were to die, then you would get that lump. You would receive that lump sum. With the whole life, it builds up a cash value, which is basically a savings account in addition to the life insurance.
And I'm guessing whole life's more expensive because there's a guarantee that you are going to die within the term.
Well, it's more expensive because the whole life is combining the term plus the savings.
Okay.
And so you got to fund the premium for the term coverage plus the savings that is built up along with the policy. So it is more expensive.
Are you allowed to access the savings account as it's growing?
Yes.
Even though you're alive?
Yes. If you had a need that came up, you can borrow. They call borrowing against the cash value of the policy.